So today I'll be showing you my morning skincare routine. It's not as fancy as some of these videos you see, but this has worked for my skin. I try to have a routine. It might not be the most expensive, but it's quite effective, especially for me being 40-ish, over 40. You get what I'm saying? But I hope you like this video. Go ahead and thumbs up if you do. And let me know what your favorite products are when it comes on to your skin. I have crazy skin. Like I have textured skin, I've got oily skin, matured skin, I've got, large pores, large-ish pores, and all the rest of it. So my skin is quite high maintenance. So if you have any tips out there that you'd like to, to share, let me know as well. Go ahead and thumbs up the video if you liked what you see. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. All right, so let me start off my routine. So I've got this little brush right here. It's one of them cheapy ones from Amazon. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here, which is the Neutrogena Oil Balancing Face Wash. So I tend to go for things that combats oily and acne prone skin. So basically you have to be gentle when you use these brushes because sometimes they can tear your skin. So be very gentle and go in circular motions like I am doing. And as you get older, your skin gets a lot more, sensitive and all that. So I do this for close to a minute. And then I just wash off the soap. Get into the little crevices and corners. All right, so that should do. So I'm using warm water now. Make sure that I get all the face wash off my face because I want it to be nice and soapless. Oh, that's a bit hot. Okay. You want to use warm water, guys. And wash your face outwards. You don't want to bring the skin down, you want to bring the skin out. So outwards. Okay. Get into them eyes. You don't want any sleep in your eyes. Yeah. Okay, face is washed. Face is nice and clean. I'm just going to pat that dry. Don't rub your face. Pat it dry. My skin has been crazy lately. I don't know why. It just goes through periods where it's just really weird. So I'm going to be using this Neutrogena 7% AHA plus panthenol liquid exfoliant. It looks like that. And it's a exfoliant as it says. And I'm going to try and I've never used this before, but I'm going to try and use it for a while and see if it makes any difference to my skin. Got my cotton pad, soak that outwards. It does burn a little bit. Then I'll be using this Inky List toner. It's their PHA toner, and I've been really liking this lately. It's not expensive, but I like it. Then of course wet the cotton pad, a few drops. Make sure you get the neck and the décolletage area. Alrighty, so that's the toner on. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my serum, and this is the Garnier Skin Active AHA plus BHA serum with charcoal, and it's 4% AHA plus BHA plus niacinamide. That is a mouthful, so yeah. And of course, my eye cream, this is the Balance Active Gold Plus Marine Collagen Rejuvenated Eye Serum. And it rejuvenates and firms. So that's what that looks like. And that's my eye cream. I tend to use a lot of this brand for eye cream. Oh, I need to... pat the eye cream underneath your eyes, because that will just soak in and do what it's supposed to do. Don't swipe it about because you tend to move it, but if you just tap it like that, tap the sides and over the eyes as well, get rid of those lines, those, you know, premature lines, wrinkles and all that. Well, over time you will, but just pat that in until it disappears, and then you've got your skin like that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use a regular day cream. This is from Nivea. It's their day cream 24-hour moisturizer, but if I'm going in the sun, I use the Nivea Sun. This has SPF 15. This has SPF 50. So I'm going to be in the house today, so I don't really need to use anything very strong. I'm just going to apply this all over my face and just massage that in. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like my products, my skincare products, to be perfumed. I like when they've got no scent, or even if it's going to have some kind of scent, it's got to be like, you know, something very mild. Okay. Get the neck. All right. And last but not least, the lips. Do not neglect your lips. You don't want them to be dry and chapped and all of that nonsense. So I used to use the, which one is it called? The Carmex, but I've given that a little break. I still use it, but not as much. I've been using the Dr. Paw Paws, and it looks like that. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my lips, because they do tend to get dry and stuff like that. Come on out. So this is meant to be a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. So put that on. There's a little tint to it. Put that on and keep those lips nice and juicy. Yeah. So that is my morning skincare routine, guys. My skin is not great at the moment, as I said, but it's always a work in progress. But it's a skin I'm given, so it's a skin I have to work with, and I try my best to keep it, you know, as best as I can. And yeah, let me know what you use on your face or on your skin. And, you know, if you have any tips for like people like you know, oily skin and that, let me know as well. I also, as I said before, I've got oily skin. My skin is a little bit more matured, and of course I've got larger pores and all of that. So if you know anything that I can use to combat that, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and comment, subscribe, and thumbs up the video. See you soon. Mwah.